welcome back to my channel. Today I'm showing you how to make 2 of the new Starbucks holiday drinks. These are the 2 that I've tried and the 2 that I've tested to make at home and make them taste as close to Starbucks as I can, or even better. I'm gonna be making a hot coffee-based latte for those of you who are in chilly climates or who like hot drinks, and then we're gonna be making the cold iced chai for those of you who are in warmer climates but still wanna experience the holiday flavors, but don't want to be sweating to death. So today we're going to be making our own homemade gingerbread syrup, which is actually used in both drinks. We're going to be starting off with the gingerbread hot coffee-based latte. This is espresso with gingerbread syrup, oat milk, whipped topping, and then pumpkin spice on top. YouTube is kind of the home of all of my like Starbucks copycat videos, so I will link my other videos below. I wore my most festive gingerbread top for this occasion. This is so good. You definitely have to try it, so let's get into it. So then you're going to take your milk frother, you're gonna add some oat milk, you're gonna add a few spoonfuls of syrup, however much you think you want. Obviously everyone is a little bit different. I usually do like 2 spoonfuls. Froth that. Okay, so then once your milk is heated, you can choose to froth it if you don't want to do whipped cream, but I just did the like heat only function so that I wouldn't have too much froth, because I'm going to add the whipped cream, which is what they do at Starbucks. Then you're just going to add our gingerbread milk into there. My top tip is to give it a little taste before you add all of the other stuff, just to make sure that you actually like it and the sweetness level is kind of what you want. And then we're gonna do some non-dairy whipped topping. And then finally, some pumpkin spice. The next drink we're gonna make is the gingerbread oat iced chai latte, and this one is just so good. You're gonna love it. You can either use a frother if your frother has like a cold setting, which this one does. This is the Instant Pot brand one, or you can use one of those like handheld frothers, because we're gonna be making gingerbread oat foam and it's not hot. So you just want something that's not gonna heat it, otherwise it's gonna melt your ice and make your drink warm, and there's nothing worse than that. To make a vegan cold foam, you definitely want like a barista style or something with like more fat in it, because stuff like cashew milk and almond milk for the most part don't like froth super well. You also don't need so much oat milk, like I would say maybe like a half a cup-ish for the cold foam. And then it is gingerbread cold foam at Starbucks. So we're gonna put in our gingerbread syrup. And again, just do however much you think you want. I'm gonna do 2 spoonfuls because I want to really be able to taste it. And then I like to prep that and then get the rest of the drink ready, and then like right at the very end do the cold foam, because the bubbles do kind of like disappear after a little while. So I like to do that at the end. So I'll get that prepped and ready, and then I'll make the rest of the drink. For this drink, we are using chai concentrate. Starbucks has like a chai syrup, but I'm pretty sure it's very similar to a concentrate. This is the one that I found at the store. It's just like a black tea concentrate, and you can do this iced or hot, but we're obviously doing it iced. So you're just gonna get yourself a cup and fill it with ice. And then we're going to do some of our chai concentrate. I like to do about half. Now is a great time to get your cold foam ready if you're using an automatic frother like this, but if you're doing a handheld one, then I would do it after this step, but I'm just gonna get that going. And then you want to add in a splash of oat milk. And then I'm just going to spoon the foam over top with a spoon. You can obviously just pour it on if you want. but I like to do this so that the layers kind of stay layered. Nice and foamy. Okay. And then again, it's just a pinch of pumpkin spice. Give it a little mix. Look at how perfectly foamy it is on top. Oh my god, this drink is seriously so good. Oh my gosh, honestly, I actually don't even know if I can pick a favorite. I feel like you guys just have to make both of these and then let me know which one's your favorite. Leave a comment letting me know if there's any other Starbucks drinks you think I need to try making this season, or even the Starbucks baked goods. I've never obviously really had anything from Starbucks food-wise because they don't have like vegan options, but I would love to recreate any of your guys' favorite treats. So let me know if there's anything you want me to do below. But that is everything for me today. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you guys in the next one.